Did you know that organizations with robust quality management see 21% higher profitability and 40% fewer defects? Yet only 15% of companies have quality professionals with comprehensive management skills. Organizations lacking quality management expertise face major challenges: inconsistent standards, compliance issues, and lost market share. They struggle with recurring quality problems and damaged reputation when proper quality systems aren't established and maintained. For individuals, insufficient quality management skills lead to reactive problem-solving and inability to create sustainable improvements. Teams suffer from unclear quality standards, inconsistent processes, and difficulty meeting customer expectations. This comprehensive program develops strategic quality leaders. Through systematic approaches and best practices, participants master the elements of effective quality management. The program covers essential skills including quality system design, audit management, risk assessment, and performance measurement. Participants learn to build and sustain culture of quality excellence. Organizations implementing this training see powerful results: 35% reduction in quality costs and improved regulatory compliance. Customer satisfaction and process reliability show significant enhancement. Participants become confident quality leaders, while teams benefit from structured systems and consistent standards. Transform your organization's quality performance. Enroll now to develop professionals who drive excellence through strategic quality management.